Hello buyers and sellers, Dave Grime from the Grime team here, and with the fall market just starting to heat up, I'm so excited to showcase this awesome fully finished bungalow just minutes from town. Welcome to 286364 10th Side Road in beautiful Mono. Now this home has a lot to offer, so let's not waste any time. Get down to the top 5 reasons why this home is right for you.
Reason number 5.
286364 10th Side Road is located in gorgeous Mono and a mere 5 minutes from bustling downtown Orangeville. Golf, the Bruce Trail, and Mono Cliffs are all right around the corner. But if you want any hiking, this 10-acre lot has plenty of space for walking, tobogganing in the winter, and cross-country ski trails.
Reason number 4.
Like I mentioned before, this awesome bungalow is set well back from the road for the utmost privacy. It offers a rolling landscape with forested areas, grassy meadows, and great views to the east. As you drive down the tree-lined driveway, you'll immediately notice the curb appeal of this custom bungalow. The natural stone exterior complements the custom landscaping with perennial gardens and flagstone walkways. Now let's go inside and check it out.
Reason number 3.
Upon entering the large foyer, great for greeting family and friends, you're immediately drawn to the great room. It features a stunning coffered vaulted ceiling and cozy fireplace. Off the great room, we have the large dining area. The main floor boasts 2 large bedrooms with double closets and a huge master bedroom with walk-in closet and 5-piece ensuite.
Reason number 2.
Now the lower level of this house is also fully finished. It offers a large family or rec room with stunning double-sided fireplace which walks out to the lower stone patio. The 4th bedroom is perfect for guests with a convenient 3-piece bathroom. There's also a huge office that could also be used for a dance studio, home gym, and also has roughed-in plumbing for a kitchen if an in-law suite is what you're looking for. Now for reason number 1.
And reason number 1.
Now the kitchen in this home has been completely renovated. It boasts a huge center island, granite counters, undermount lighting, stainless steel appliances, wall oven, warming drawer and microwave, farmhouse sink, and loads of cupboard space. Off the kitchen, we have a great sunroom, perfect for reading, morning coffees, or an evening cocktail, and it walks out to the upper deck with great easterly views. Well, thanks for taking the time to watch our video tour of this great custom stone bungalow on private acreage minutes from town. Check out more information at www.28636410sideroad.com and call our office for your personal tour. Until next time, Dave Grime from the Grime team, signing out.